Today, we're going to look at some of the best free dating apps you can use in 2026 without paying any fees. Many dating apps offer premium subscriptions, but the good news is that several of them still allow you to create a profile, match with people, and chat for free. Let's check out some of the best options. The first app is Tinder. This is one of the most popular dating apps in the world. With the free version, you can create a profile, swipe through other users, and match with people nearby. Once two people match, they can start chatting right away. Even though Tinder offers premium plans, the basic features are still available for free. Another great option is Bumble. This app works a little differently because women make the first move in heterosexual matches. After a match happens, the woman has to send the first message before the conversation begins. Bumble also includes extra modes like Bumble BFF for finding friends and Bumble Biz for networking, and many of its core features are free to use. Next, we have OkCupid. OkCupid is known for its detailed profiles and compatibility questions. The app asks users questions about their interests, personality, and values to help find better matches. You can browse profiles like people and send messages without paying, which makes it a popular free option for people looking for more serious connections. Another very popular platform is Badoo. Badoo works as both a social network and a dating app. It is available in over 190 countries and 47 languages, which makes it one of the largest dating networks in the world. The basic features like creating a profile, matching, and chatting are available without payment. And finally, there is Meet Me. This app focuses on social interaction and live connections. Users can chat, stream live videos, and meet people from different parts of the world. Many of the main features are free, making it a good option if you want a more interactive dating experience. So as you can see, even though many dating apps promote paid subscriptions, there are still several great apps you can use for free in 2026. The key is to complete your profile, upload good photos, and stay active so you can increase your chances of matching with other people. And that's it. Those were some of the best free dating apps you can try in 2026 without paying any fees. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.